Hi, good morning kabayan. My name is Engineer Kenji. I am the Senior Project Manager of City Global who is currently handling all our Tagaytay projects, specifically TCRS.
Hi, I'm Engineer Mark, the Construction Project Manager of PCI. Our company is a construction project management who handles this project related to resources.
As we all know, safety is all or is everybody's concern, particularly from the management side and the workers din, yung mga contractors natin. So as a standard procedure, we in place some safety measures which includes the regular toolbox meeting with the workers every morning, some drills, usually for earthquake and some disaster preparedness, which includes earthquake and yung potential na taal.
Yes, we have strategic locations for the evacuation or for the safe areas or shelters. Once there was a disaster happened, like the volcanic eruption or even a heavy rain or earthquake, and also if there's a flood or some windy weather, so we have established locations here in the project for our workers and staff to use.
Going construction tayo sa building, and full blast construction ito from started last year and maybe hanggang doon sa mga succeeding na builds. Yung site natin malawak siya, so well established yung road, maayos yung housekeeping. We separated the workers area, the barracks, yung mga debris, mga scrap, and yung ongoing construction natin. So all safety measures from our contractor and of course managed by our CMT, ini-implement yun on a daily basis.